Welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we're going to learn about how to convert a SketchUp file into a XSI file format. So basically it is preliminarily a legacy 3D asset file created by Autodesk Softimage, originally developed by Softimage Inc. It stored it stores 3D model textures, animations, and skeletal rigging. Because soft image was discontinued, .xis is now largely obsolete. Through it is still used by specific legacy games like Star Wars and Jedi Knight. So if you want to again develop something crazy games like Star Wars Jedi Knight, so then this kind of file format is going to be used. So it is very simple. You just go to file, you go to export, you go to 3D model, and under the save as type you select the XSI file and you press is on export, and within a few seconds your XSI file will be exported. You can simply go to the file location and refresh the location, and there it is, your XSI file has been exported. So this is how easy it is to convert any SketchUp file into a XSI file. So that was it for the video. If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it.